In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a branded template kit in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. This is an incredibly useful skill that will help you to maintain brand consistency across all your presentations. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you have it open, go ahead and create a new blank presentation. This blank canvas will serve as the foundation for your branded template kit. Next, we're going to access the Slide Master view. Head over to the View tab at the top of your screen and select it. When you click on Slide Master, a new array of options will open up, showing you the main Slide Master on top, followed by multiple slide layouts beneath it. Think of this as the control center, where you can customize elements that will be applied throughout your template. While on the Slide Master tab, it's time to set your custom slide sizes, ensuring everything looks just right. You can also select and apply a theme that suits your brand's aesthetic. The theme sets the tone for every slide, so make sure it aligns well with your company's visual identity. Now, one crucial step in creating a branded template is inserting your company logo onto the main Slide Master. By doing this, your logo will automatically appear on every slide. If you need more versatility, you can also individually place logos on specific slide layouts. This helps maintain that essential brand signature across your presentation. Moving on, let's create a custom color theme. Click on Colors, and then use your brand's hex codes to create a palette that represents your brand accurately. This is especially useful for creating slides that are instantly recognizable. Similarly, you'll want to customize the font theme to reflect your brand typography. Click on Fonts and select your company's specific fonts for headings and body text. This will lock in the typography style across all your slides. To further enhance usability, consider adding placeholders for text, charts, and images in the specific layouts where you think they'll be needed. Placeholders make it very easy to drag and drop content in the future without disrupting the formatting. Customizing the background styles is another great way to cement your brand's presence. On the Slide Master tab, click on Background Styles and choose a style that complements your overall look and feel. Finally, it's time to save your hard work. Go to File, select Save As, and choose a location on your computer. In the Save As type drop-down menu, make sure to select PowerPoint Template, PoTX. By doing this, your new branded template will be saved to your personal template library, and you can easily access it by going to File and then New the next time you're preparing a presentation. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've created a professional branded template kit that will save you time and help maintain brand consistency effortlessly.